I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, and today I want to show you something simple, something powerful, that could help restore the strength, focus, and vitality you once had. If you're a man over 50 or even 60 and you've noticed your energy, motivation, or drive fading, this message is for you. You see, what you do before breakfast can completely reset your hormones, detox your liver, and recharge your testosterone naturally. And no, it's not about pills, powders, or quick fixes. It's about giving your body what it truly needs in the first hour of your day. I'm going to walk you through a powerful, science-backed morning routine that thousands of my male patients have used to feel strong, confident, and alive again, no matter their age. So grab a glass of water, take a deep breath, and let's begin your transformation. 1. The morning reset. Why most men wake up wrong. Let's start with a hard truth. Most men wake up in stress mode. They open their eyes, check their phone, scroll through emails, and immediately flood their body with cortisol, the stress hormone that kills testosterone, slows fat burning, and fogs up your brain. What your body actually needs in the first 15 minutes of your morning is calm, oxygen, and intention, not chaos. So tomorrow when you wake up, don't reach for your phone. Instead, sit up straight, place your hand over your heart and say out loud, "Today I move with energy and purpose." This simple act resets your nervous system. It tells your body, "I am in control, not stress, not age." Me. When I started guiding my patients to begin their mornings with mindful breathing instead of scrolling, their blood pressure, sleep, and hormone levels improved within weeks. 2. The liver detox drink, cleansing for energy and hormone balance. Now, let's move to your first drink of the day. Forget coffee, for now. Your liver is your body's detox lab. It breaks down old hormones, filters toxins, and keeps testosterone balanced. But after age 50, most men's livers are overworked, from processed foods, medications, and stress. So we start with this. Dr. Parker's morning power drink. 1 glass of warm filtered water, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, a pinch of Himalayan salt, optional, a pinch of cayenne for circulation. Mix and sip slowly. This drink rehydrates your cells, alkalizes your body, and gently detoxes your liver. The lemon activates digestion. The salt replenishes electrolytes. The apple cider vinegar supports gut bacteria. And the cayenne boosts blood flow. After 7 to 10 days, most men report sharper focus, better digestion, and a surprising boost in morning energy. 3. Sunlight, nature's testosterone trigger. Now, let's talk about something you can't buy in a bottle. Sunlight. Step outside, barefoot if you can, and let the early morning sun touch your skin and eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Here's the science. Sunlight triggers your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that controls your sleep, metabolism, and hormones. When sunlight hits your eyes, it tells your brain to release serotonin, the feel-good chemical, which later converts into melatonin for deeper sleep at night. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Vitamin D. Your body produces vitamin D through sunlight, and studies show men with higher vitamin D levels have 20 to 25% higher testosterone than those who don't. So if you want your hormones to rise, step into the sun. Pair it with light movement. Walk the dog, stretch, breathe. You're not just boosting testosterone. You're waking up your entire biological system. 4. The oxygen technique, nitric oxide and blood flow. Here's something I teach every man, young or old. Your breath determines your energy. Most of us take shallow chest breaths, which signals stress to the brain. But deep breathing through your nose creates nitric oxide, a natural vasodilator that improves blood flow, brain oxygen, and even performance. Try this 3-minute technique called 4-4-6 breathing. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat 10 times. You'll feel lighter, sharper, more awake. Do this daily and your oxygen levels rise, your blood vessels relax, and your cardiovascular system gets stronger. It's free, it's powerful, and it's backed by science. 5. Movement. 10 minutes to wake up your body. Now it's time to move. Not a full workout, just gentle activation. As we age, circulation slows and testosterone dips when we stay sedentary, but 10 minutes of morning movement boosts metabolism and brain function. Here's what I recommend: 20 squats, 10 push-ups, 15 arm circles, 10 lunges, gentle neck rolls. This increases blood flow, releases endorphins, and raises dopamine, your motivation hormone. You're literally signaling to your body, we're ready for the day. Produce energy, produce power. That's why elite athletes, CEOs, and even retirees who move early in the morning report higher focus and less fatigue throughout the day. 6. Delay breakfast, the hidden power of fasting. Now, let's challenge one of the biggest myths. You don't need to eat immediately after waking. When you delay breakfast, your body burns stored fat for energy, not sugar. This is known as intermittent fasting, and it can naturally raise testosterone and improve insulin sensitivity. Start simple. Drink your detox water, get sunlight, breathe, move. Then wait an hour or two before eating. When you finally eat, choose high-protein foods like eggs, salmon, or Greek yogurt, and avoid heavy carbs early in the day. Your body becomes more efficient, your energy steadier, and your waistline tighter. Without starving yourself. Think of it as giving your body time to clean, repair, and prepare before fueling. 7. The mind-body connection, confidence and calm. Now that your body is awake, let's talk about the mental side. Testosterone isn't just a hormone, it's a feeling. Confidence, focus, and drive are states of mind that your body mirrors hormonally. So each morning, practice mental conditioning. Look in the mirror. Stand tall. Breathe deeply. Repeat. I'm strong. I'm capable. I'm improving every day. When you affirm your strength, your brain releases neurochemicals that reinforce that belief. And over time, you'll notice your posture, presence, and energy shift, just like my patients did after 30 days of consistent practice. 8. The 7-step morning blueprint. Let's recap everything in one simple, repeatable plan. Dr. Olivia Parker's morning power routine, mindset reset, gratitude and intention, 2 minutes. Liver detox drink, lemon, salt, ACV, 5 minutes. Sunlight exposure, 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Deep breathing, nitric oxide boost, 3 minutes. Light movement, 10-minute activation. Delay breakfast, 1 to 3 hours. Post-wake affirmation and posture check, confidence practice. Do this every morning for 30 days, and you will see the difference. Your energy will rise, your sleep will deepen, your hormones will balance, and your sense of power, the one you thought you'd lost, will come roaring back. Because the truth is, you don't need to feel old. You just need to retrain your body to thrive again. Dr. Olivia Parker. Thank you for spending this morning with me. If this video helped you, subscribe for more science-backed health insights and simple steps to live stronger at any age. Now go outside, breathe deep, and let your morning power return.